Hello everyone, I am Janendra from CubeLilo and we are back again with another video. Today we will be looking at the recently released mini cubes from YJ. The Zlong Mini 3x3 magnetic, 4x4 magnetic and 5x5 magnetic. So without any further delay, let's get to it. YJ has come up with a series of fascinating new mini cubes that come pre-magnetized from the factory and it looks really promising to me. Zlong Mini series contains a half-bright stickerless shade which somewhat resembles the MGC color scheme. Let's have a look at all three of them one by one. So let's begin with the 3x3 first. When I think of mini cubes, the first thing that comes to my mind is the Dayan Zanchi mini cube, which was almost 5 years back. Then came the Walk Mini, released in 2018, which was around 47.4 mm and which was priced more like a flagship cube. So the YJ Zlong Mini 3x3M is far better in terms of performance than the previous mini cubes, and the best part is you can get this mini cube just for rupees 549, which is approximately $8, and that is quite incredible. The size is 50 mm and it weighs just 57 grams. If I compare it with any other normal 3x3, you can clearly see the difference here. It's almost 6 to 7 mm smaller in size. The size and its lightweight makes it perfectly suitable for small hands and all one-handed cubers. So, precise and balanced magnet layout of 48 magnets provides a light and stable turning experience. Cube also features a superb corner cutting of around 55 degrees and reverse corner cutting of around 30 degrees with rare chances of lockup. If you are not used to solving mini cubes, you might really find it difficult to get usual times on this cube. Overall, this cube is made for one-handed solvers and probably the young cubers. I must admit, it is really helpful for me. I am not a very good OH solver, although I average around 30 seconds, but I still feel this can somehow help me improve my times. So now let's check out YJ Mini 4x4. This Mini 4x4 is just 56 mm in size and weighs only 96 grams. So the size of Zlong 4x4 is pretty much similar to that of a regular 3x3. And if I compare it with the MGC 4x4, it's around 4 mm smaller, which doesn't feel too much. So out of the box, the cube is really fast and it looks absolutely amazing. The turning is smooth and the feel is quite buttery. Magnets in the inner layer are stronger than the outer layers. Corner cutting is really good, almost a whole piece, and the reverse is a little under half piece. You might get a few lockups during the solve, but apart from that, the cube is really fast and definitely a main material for many of those cubers out there. So let's move on to 5x5 now. Let's check out the Zlong Mini 5x5. The size of the Zlong Mini 5x5 is 58 mm, which is approximately 4 mm smaller than the MGC 5x5. The Zlong Mini 5x5 weighs only 117 grams. The overall feeling is very similar to that of a 4x4. The Zlong 5x5 is also fast and turns really good. The corner cutting is not as great as 4x4, but still good with almost half a piece, and the reverse are just a little bit, not much. After solving this Mini 5x5, the solving of regular 5x5 will feel a little uncomfortable. You might have to do some solves to switch in between two different sizes of 5x5. And we have given these cubes to our team member Aryan Chabda, and let's see what he thinks about it.
Hey everyone, it's Aryan here. Here are my thoughts on the new YJ Zlong Magnetic Mini Cubes. Firstly, the feel of the cubes out of the box was sort of sandy and dry. I had to do a lot of solves and the feeling does go away with breaking in and lubing. All the cubes in the series feel very similar to each other. They're all very fast, slightly blocky and very stable. I personally like the 4x4 a lot. The smaller size is a huge advantage over my current main, the Ausu WRM, and I'm considering the Zlong 4x4 Mini M to be my main. The 3x3 and the 5x5 are a bit too small to speed solve on, for me personally. The performance of all these cubes is amazing, and I would highly recommend these cubes to everyone who's looking out for smaller cubes, and also the price is really economical. So I'd definitely recommend this to everyone who's out there, be it a beginner or an advanced solver. So yeah, thank you.
Overall, I am really impressed with these Minicube series from YJ, giving a very high performance with no compromise in quality at all. The best part of these cubes is the price at which they are available. The YJ is doing a commendable job in order to provide great cubes within a budget range. Whether you are a beginner or a speed cuber or an intermediate, you should definitely consider buying this cube and do add it to your collection. We will give the links to buy this cube in the description box. Also, do hit the like icon if you like this information in the video. We will see you in the next one. Happy cubing!